Welcome to YouTube episode number 131. Sanskriti Kolkata is a 26-year-old brand which is mainly focuses on handloom, pure hand woven traditional weaves of India. So among those, today I will be showing Georgette Banarasis, I'll be showing beautiful Dupians also, Dupian tussars also, and many more Banarasis. So keep watching since the festive season is almost. Product number 1, Dupian Banarasi. Today I'll show you only very limited stock because I want to show you more of Georgettes, and moreover Jal Dupian weave was very much in demand, but for the past 1.5 months there weren't any stock available in Jal. So these are all the Jal weaves that has just arrived because of the wedding season. This is a beautiful purple shade with a peacock blue combination, a very rich unique shade, ideal for reception also and for wedding. You can have this in your wardrobe as a wedding collection also. This is the blouse piece. It's a dual tone peacock blue blouse piece. Product number 1, 15,900 rupees. All over Jal woven pure Banarasi Dupian tussar Banarasi, purple, and this is the full all over weave. See the lovely gorgeous weave. The border is peacock. It's a dual tone, so it's a greenish blue color, two-tone with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. So it's a lovely shade in purple, which is very much in fashion now. So this is product number 1. Product number 2, emerald green with peacock blue border. Very pretty tone on tone. Product number 2 with again rich peacock blue. This is the blouse piece. So blouse piece comes first and then the pallu and then all over weave. Here is the weave. The richness of the border, the Jal fine weave, pallu, same price 15,900, blouse piece, this is the whole sari. The whole sari will have the same weave till the end. So here is the sari, here is the look. Gorgeous weave and gorgeous color. This is also another purplish with magenta color combination. So each combination is different from each other. Even the weave is also different. This is more of burgundy color, purplish burgundy, and same price 15,900. All over Jal weave with beautiful gorgeous magenta border and magenta dual tone blouse piece. It's a feast to the eyes when you see the weavers weave these beauties. It's lovely to watch them. This is the whole sari. I do not have any formal experience, formal degrees in fashion designing, but it's all from experience, spending time with karigars, weavers, dyers, printers and embroiders. So that's where I've learned this, and I'm really happy and honored to be associated with this Weavers Karigar Forum. This color is in peacock green color. With again magenta border. It's a beautiful deep peacock green color. These dual tone colors look very nice in the silks and tussars. And you can see the blouse piece. Solid color blouse piece, since the body is throughout embroidery weaving. This is once again the sari. And again till the end you can see the lovely weave. Jal Dupion Tussar Banarasi hand woven pure silk sari. Now coming to Dupion again in hot pink, but the beauty lies in the border. It's Paithani, our favorite Paithani Banarasi woven border. Throughout buta in the body with rich traditional Paithani floral weave, but not the figure, no flowers, no peacock or birds, but this is floral, because this is from Varanasi. 15,900 for this Paithani. With blouse piece, it will have this narrow sleek border. In the blouse piece in pink, Rani color blouse piece, and the body will be in hot pink. Very pretty color. Pink, this is in red now. All bridal collection, pure handloom, hand woven products. Red. Even the booties are so pretty throughout, very rich all over booties. Very rich and very nice red. Ideal for wedding day, very gorgeous. Pallu, same price 15,900 with this blouse piece in red. All hand woven, see the border. Pallu. Same one, burgundy. So these are the new weaves that we've just received this after polish and cutting and finishing. So I just wanted to show you these, because last time many of you couldn't get any dupions and you are still asking me about dupions. So you can select from this for the wedding season. And also there's Durga Puja coming very close by. So these are the lovely weaves that have come. See the border. How rich and grand, gorgeous border. Same 15,900 for this too. Pallu. Blouse piece. Yeah, and very big width. Those who are very tall also can easily wear this without attaching any fabric. Rani, all Paithani woven border. These are all with Paithani woven borders. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Before pujas, we will be opening during the in Sundays also. Other days, Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8 p.m. we are open. This is the blouse piece for this. For booking, only WhatsApp messages along with the screenshot of the product. Once the payment is done, do send the screenshot of your payment, because we can understand the date and the exact amount which you've sent. Some of you get a little annoyed when I ask you about the screenshot. That's because, not because of the proof of payment, but because we can understand, you know, there are so many people who are, suppose this is 15,900. Many of you are sending the same amount. So it's very difficult to track who's sending which, you know, where to shape and all these things. So please send the screenshot. It's I request you to send the screenshot of your payment after transfer, and then once it's done, we'll courier it to you. Shipping charges are applicable. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata via courier. Now this is another dupion in purple. This is the traditional Meena Buta that I show you. Deep purple. See the Meena Buta's Meena border. Contrast Rani blouse piece. 13,900. 13,900 for this. The border. And throughout the same Buta. Now that was purple. Now here comes magenta. Same thing, magenta with red border, 14,500. This is 14,500. The booty and the border changes. The border is broader. Very rich, gorgeous border. Blouse piece. $14,500. Again, this too has Meena Buta. Throughout weave. Once again the border. Zari. Now product number 11. Now before that, let me show you the mannequin sari. This is pure Georgette Banarasi. Pure Georgette, half and half weave. The upper part is orange with Rani magenta border pallu, magenta blouse. This is the pleats. See how pretty the big butas in the pleats and small butas in the upper part. And the price for this is 11,900 for this. 11,900. Pure Georgette Banarasi. This is a beautiful shade of orange, not too shiny, loud orange. Rustish orange with magenta. Now Georgettes. Pure Georgettes. I'll show you some real beautiful black beauties. Black and gold. Party wear. And black with gold and with lovely buta. See, one is a big buta, one is a small buta in between. And this Nakshi double border with this pallu. 10,900. Product number 11. 10,900. Black and gold. Pure Georgette Banarasi. And this has a beautiful contrast. Deep red, maroonish blouse piece. So if you like, please leave a comment. See the concept, it's a beautiful shade of jet black and reddish maroon. You can use the strap, the blouse piece strap also, or you can make a big quarter sleeves also. Leave the sleeves transparent because it's a very good fabric, pure georgette. Another black beauty. The weave changes. Single piece, all these are single piece. $10,900. Blouse piece. Another black. See, all the weaves are different. So this time, for all the black lovers, here are lovely pure georgette. This is with shikarga weave. See the buttas, you can understand. Okay, let me show you closely the animal weave in between this butta. Can you see this, the animal? Two paisleys, it's a beautiful butta. These are all shikarga butta weaves. So those who doesn't want a contrast blouse, here is a monotone for you. You can make a sleeveless blouse, a strappy blouse also. Very smart. Jet black. In case I miss out the price, let me tell you, please check out the scroll. Everything is mentioned. Even in the description part, it is mentioned. The details is all written there. The fabric, the color, everything is mentioned. Upper part narrow border throughout choti booty with big moha part daman. See how rich the weave is. Stunning weave. Gorgeous. Product number 14, 10,900. Pure georgette. You are paying to all business account. So, and GST, proper GST bill, this is a bright red blouse piece for this. And proper GST invoice will be sent with all your shipments. All your shipments. Now, again our favorite combination, my favorite combination of white and red with gold weave. ভীষণ সুন্দর স্লিক woven border, বডিতে ঘন করে অল ওভার বুটি করা আছে, ভীষণ ট্রেডিশনাল, আগমনী কালেকশন 11,500 মা আসছে। এইসব শাড়িগুলোর কোনোদিনও পুরনো হবে না, এগুলো মানে আমাদের জেনারেশন ওয়াইজ ইউজ করতে পারবে, and generation wise the love will only become more, not less. See, now something that I'm wearing. This is again totally a new design that I've just experimented with the weaver, and they've done a beautiful a job. I think it's looking very different. Pure Georgette Banarasi, very soft, very soft pure Georgette with beautiful soft polish. It's just like makhan, you know. I'm wearing it, I can feel it's very soft with silver zari weave. And see, throughout there, this is tie and dye brushing. See the colors, rangoli colors. Lovely woven pallu contrast. 10,900, product number 16. Very fashionable, very feminine, very chic, but at the same time traditional. I can just understand, it's beautiful shades, something very different. This is the blouse piece in royal blue. This is actually very fashionable. This is number 1 in this design. Now 17, that was actually 16 number. The first in this concept, and this is number 17, rather that would be better for you to understand. Number 17, see the colors, purple and red pink colors. These are stunning shades, all rangoli shades. Silver zari weave, see the weave in the border. All same price, pink pallu with the paisley weave. It has such a beautiful soft fall and, you know, very manageable, great to carry with a pink blouse. This is the blouse piece for this. And this is the sari. Very colorful but very cute, very cute. See the pallu. Even the weaves, we've changed totally the design. What we've been doing in all the while, I've just totally changed the weave. Lovely rich shades with a touch of parrot green. This is the shade. Just take the screenshot because the colors are multicolors with different tones. So see this blouse piece. Very fashionable, very fashionable. You really stand out in the crowd. Number 19. Royal blue, turquoise blue, emerald green with firoza. See the colors that has been used with a border of pink. 10,900. The blouse will also be in pink. See the colors? With this pink blouse piece. Very cute. $20. Lime green, touch of lime green. This purple and lime looks very smart. With again a lime blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. purple, number 21, pink and purple, very sweet color with blue border, tomato pink pallu, navy border, 10,900. All these Rangoli pure Georgette shaded hand woven pure Georgette Banarasi. This is the blouse piece, navy. Now let me tell you, this is, don't think this is torn, this is, you have to cut it out, this you just have to open that this is extra. So this is attached. So in the video it might not be clear, that's why I'm just telling you. That's just the blouse piece that has been stitched generally, I mean. This is a different border in blue. The previous one was different border. This is another border in blue. The combination may be same, but the border changes. So I'm showing you this color border also. Very fashionable. 10,900. And you know, it's so, I mean, it's a figure correction sari actually. It falls so well. And you know, you can, it's very feminine. Overall, it's a very pretty sari. Little different. Blouse piece. Sky. That was more of royal blue. This is in turquoise blue. Blouse piece in royal blue with the border. The last one, number 24, red purple, all silver zari, 10,900, product number 24. See the pallu, the beautiful woven pallu, the border, the color combination, how lovely the shading has been done in this fine material. Pure Georgette with purple blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. And lastly, the one that I am wearing, this color is also available. It's orange, pink and purple pallu. With this purple blouse piece for this. And the neck piece that I am wearing, it comes with this cute earring, silver gold neck piece with this earring. This is also available, 2,100, 2,100. So hope you like the episode. Please do like, share and subscribe. Namaskar, shobai bhalo thakben.